guys, what's up? It's Zach back here again today for Down South Racing, and today I have a little bit of a different video for you guys. It's a little bit of a mishmash, I guess, matchup of a couple different videos. So something really cool happened this weekend. Got to go meet itsjusta6 in Nashville, and so I'm gonna link. You know, I took a few videos there, didn't get a whole lot, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put this out there. Gavin is an amazing guy. He's awesome. I mean, he's just really down to earth, and he's not really let the, I guess, and he is pretty much famous. I mean, he's got 400,000 subscribers. Really get to him. I mean, he sat and talked to us, invited us to go out to eat with him, and you know, a bunch of other cool stuff. And so he's got a really cool video about why he came to Nashville coming out, I'm sure, in the next couple days. So stay tuned to his channel for that. Subscribe to him, obviously, if you haven't already. It's itsjusta6. But he's a really cool guy. You know, had a really good time hanging out with him and a bunch of other car people. Xander 13 was also there. Serpent Stangs was there. So subscribe to them if you haven't already as well. But other than that, guys, sent a couple professional drivers out to Mexico here a couple days ago, and my car and another car and a few others just to get some runs in. So that footage will be at the end of this, and I hope you enjoy. But guys, I'm just trying to keep this video short and put out some good content for you. So everyone who ever complained about, you know, me talking too much, I guess, during the racing at the track and stuff, there's no talking. It's just straight race footage from Mexico action. So I mean, I hope you all enjoy. It was an awesome time. It's some of the best races this car has ever seen, you know, from what I can tell from the footage. So like I said, guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy just a little mismatch. You know, it's two different videos in one because I didn't really get to make two complete videos, but I hope you guys enjoy. So here you go. Here's Xander's car, guys. I think that's his little boy in there, but he's over here somewhere, so let's go find him. Look who it is. What's going on, my man? How you doing?
You stand above the
yeah, you can pick me out. What's up, dude? How you doing? Just made it down a little late, but what's going on with the cops? Well, you
can't park in the
can't park in the middle of the road, basically. Yeah. Understandable. Alright guys, I don't know how well you can see it, but here's Gavin's Duramax. They drove up kind of under the light here. He doesn't have his car. He actually came up here to get a motor, but I'll let him reveal what that was. But his truck is clean. It looks good. Obviously you can tell where he is because the crowd is always flocking around him, but hopefully we'll get a chance to talk to him before the night ends, but I don't know. Still going on. It's crazy. You got it. Be safe going home. That was me sniping you earlier, Zach.
Down South Racing?
Yeah, I got you.
Turn down one. Are you proud to say that, I mean, it's basically your fault that all this shit's happening?
No. It is. No, I'm not proud
Jake
to say
had a similar reaction.
Yeah, not proud to say that. We held you responsible. I don't know how this...
How are the police not here?
They said that they got called, that's why I was like in the truck, and if they come, I was already leaving.
Right.
So is it normally like this? No. This is the first place that we've ever had stuff like this. This is just natural.
This is crazy, man.
Oh yeah. They said that that's where they normally do it every weekend anyway. It's right there. I don't know if y'all are... see all the marks. Yeah. They said that they always go out there and do garnets and stuff, so...
Well,
y'all want to come grab some tacos?
Yeah. For sure. Where at?
Where we going?
San Antonio.
Alright guys, so as you can see from previous videos, this crap got insane. And here are the police now. So we are trying to obviously get out of here after everything that has happened. So hopefully we can make it out okay.
Turn left onto Two Rivers Parkway.
But we're going with Gavin to attempt at least to get something to eat. We're hoping that maybe everybody doesn't follow him, but he's up there, just turned out, so we'll see him when he gets there, I hope.
Continue 1 mile.
that.